Articles. Dear children, do you know what we are going to learn today? Don't know? Can you see some pictures here? Yeah. And Mango is smiling at you. Oh, Apple is looking angrily. Is it correct? No. A mango is smiling and apple is looking angrily. Now we understood what we are going to learn? Yeah, articles. The words a and o the are known as articles. For example, a carrot. Do you know how many kinds of articles are there? There are two types of articles. First one is definite article. The is called as definite article. For example, the sun. Do you know what's the next one? The next one is indefinite article. A and an are indefinite articles. For example, a book, an egg. Now let's check the usage of a and an. Yeah, a and an can be used only with singular nouns that we can count. For example, an umbrella. Umbrella is a singular noun. At the same time, it's a countable noun. So we can use an. But can we say a sugar? No, because it's not a countable noun. Dear children, do you know where can we use the article a? Don't know? Let's check. We can use a before the words beginning with a consonant sound. For example, a boy. The word boy is beginning with the consonant sound b. What's the next example? Yeah, a one-eyed dog. Here in this example, the word is beginning with a vowel letter. But did you understand why did I use a? Yeah, even when it's beginning with a vowel letter, the sound is a consonant one. One-eyed dog. So, before consonant sounds, we have to use a. It's a useful thing. Here also I used a. Why? Yeah, the word useful is beginning with a consonant sound u. Now we can check the usage of an. Are you ready? Yeah. We can use an before the word starting with a vowel sound. For example, an eagle. Can you say me what's the next example? Yeah, and above. Here, the word is beginning with a consonant letter H, but the sound is a vowel sound. Above. So we used an. Now let's check the next example. Okay? Yeah, an honorable man. Here also the word is starting with a consonant letter, but the sound is vowel sound. Honorable man. O is the beginning sound. So we have to use the article an. Now can we check the uses of the? Yeah, the can be used when you are talking about a specific thing. For example, give me the book that I gave you yesterday. Here, the person who is asking for the book is specifying that about which book he is asking. He is telling, give me the book that I gave you yesterday. So, in that kind of situations, when we are talking about a specific thing, we can use the. We can use the when we are talking about a thing for the second time. For example, my father bought a new umbrella for me. The umbrella is very useful. Here, in the second sentence, that girl is telling for the second time about the umbrella. So she used the. In that kind of situation, we can use the. We can use the before the names of rivers, oceans, seas and mountain ranges. For example, the Ganges, the Himalayas. With the names of ships, trains and aeroplanes, we can use the. For example, the Air India. We can use the with the names of well-known buildings. For example, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. Can you say me what is the next usage? Yeah, we can use the with the names of epics, holy books and newspapers. For example, the Quran, the Ramayana, the Indian Express. Indian Express is the name of a newspaper. Ramayana is an epic. Quran is a holy book. Next usage, we can use the with superlative degree. For example, he is the most brilliant boy in the class. Here, the is used with most brilliant boy because it's a superlative degree. Dear children, what did we learn today? Yeah, articles.
Dear friends, did you enjoy today's class? You want to get more videos like this? If you want to get more videos like this, please subscribe the channel.